Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically send SMS from email to any mobile number using email parser. So let us begin with a small example. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to compose a new email and I'm going to send this email to a person called as Aaron Manuel. So this is the person's name, Aaron Manuel, and this is the email address, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. Okay, and the subject is fan. Okay, and this is the body. So basically this is a feedback of the product the customer is using. Fan is not working. Okay, a very simple message, and this is sent by a person called as Michael Karas. So this is the name Michael Karas, and this is the email address michaelkaras481@gmail.com. Okay, so let me just click on send. Okay, so basically an email has been sent to a person called as Aaron. So let me just straight away take you to the profile of Aaron. Okay, so let me just refresh this. So this is the email profile of Aaron, and he's going to get a message. Yes, this is the email. Okay, so as you can see, fan is not working. Okay, and this is from Michael Karas, and this is the subject, fan. Now Aaron Manuel will be also getting an SMS. So let me just straight away show you the SMS that, so as you can see, this is the SMS that Aaron has received, and this is the detail: email arrived, new email arrived. This is the name of the sender, that is Michael Karas, and this is basically the from email, michaelkaras481@gmail.com. The subject is fan. This is the body, fan is not working. Excellent. So basically we are going to do one more experiment, okay, because this is so awesome. And this time a person called as Sneh Tripathi is again going to send an email to Aaron Manuel. So once again, Aaron Manuel it is, okay, and this time the subject is processor, okay, processor is stuck. So this is again a feedback or a complaint by a person. Processor is stuck. Okay, and so this is the email where we will be sending this email address where we will be sending this email, and then we have the subject as processor, and this is the body, processor is stuck. So this person called as Sneh Tripathi is going to send an email to aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. So let me just click on send. Okay, so the message was sent. So let's have a look. Did Aaron really get this email? So let me just go there and let me just refresh it. Let me just reload it. Okay, so yes, Sneh Tripathi has sent this message. Okay, so Sneh Tripathi, this is the sender, and this is basically the body, processor is stuck, and this is the subject, processor. Excellent. Now let me just show you the message, the SMS that Sneh Tripathi, because of which Sneh Tripathi, concerning Sneh Tripathi. So new email arrived, name is Sneh Tripathi, this is the email address snehtripathi6@gmail.com. the subject is processor and the body is processor is stuck. So excellent. So you're obviously thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Gmail to SMS? So here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Gmail and SMS sending apps like Twilio. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me just show you the process. So in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products, and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down, and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm just going to give it as Gmail to Twilio. Now I'm using Twilio to send the SMS. You can use any other apps like SMS Horizon, D7 Networks to send the SMS. It's totally up to you. The process is nearly the same. Okay, so let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now using these 2 windows, we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Gmail and Twilio. Now you should know something. After building the workflow that has integrated Gmail and SMS sending apps like Twilio, I will add the link of the workflow in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so in the trigger window, we have to select the app as Email Parser by Pabbly. Email Parser by Pabbly. So you're obviously thinking, what's the deal with Email Parser by Pabbly? So here's the thing. With the help of Email Parser, or known as the mail hook, you can actually parse the emails and extract the values from your emails and send those values across to any different software that you want. So if you didn't get anything from that definition, it's totally fine. So as you can see, when we have selected the choose app, it is already providing me an email address. So this is a very unique email address. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to conduct an experiment. So I'm just going to copy this email address. Okay. And let's say a person, that is this Michael Karas, okay, is composing a message and he's going to send this message to this particular email address. This is the email address that we have copied. Okay, I'm just going to make sure that the email is going to send to this particular person. The subject is red, okay, and the content is I love red color. This is the subject, and let me just click on send. Okay, so it is showing the message is sent. Now, basically what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take you to Pabbly Connect and let me just show you the message that will be received on this particular email address. Now, if you may see this particular email address doesn't have any profile. Okay, so where we can read the data. Now, this data will arrive here. So just give it 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, and the data has arrived. So let me just scroll down. So this is the person that has sent the email, okay, Michael Karas, and this is his email address, michaelkaras481@gmail.com. Now this is the subject, that is red, and let me just show you the body text. Okay, so this is the body text, I love red color. I hope it is getting clear. So basically the gist is, what we are going to do here is we are going to associate this particular email address to this address, to this email address. So the idea is that if someone sends an email to this particular email address, the data will be captured here, and from here it will be sent to SMS sending apps like Twilio or SMS Horizon or anything you want. Okay, so this is how you do it. So first of all, just click on the settings, okay, and just click on see all settings. Okay, so here you have this option, filters and blocked addresses. You click here and just click on create a new filter. Okay, so now we have to enter to. So where should this email flow? So this is where the email should flow. You just copy this, okay, and you just paste it here. That's done. Okay, excellent. And once again, just click on create filter. Now it is asking when a message is an exact match for your search criteria, then what should be done? So we just want to forward it. Forward it where? Now this is our forwarding email address. Okay, so this is the idea, that if an email goes to this particular email address, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com, that email will be sent to this email address, and from here it will be sent to SMS sending apps like Twilio. I hope it is getting clear. Okay, so we are going to add the forwarding address. So just click on add forwarding address. Once again, click on add a forwarding address, and we are just going to paste the address. So let me just copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now, if you may know this or work with softwares, you should know that if you add a new email address, it will send a confirmation email. Now, the confirmation email will be sent to this email address, but unfortunately, it doesn't have any UI where we can see that email. So that is why we are going to make sure that email will be sent here, will be captured here. So that is why we are just going to click on this button, recapture webhook response. Click yes. Okay, so let me just click on proceed. So it will send me a confirmation code. So it is waiting for the data. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the data has arrived. Let me just scroll down, and the data will be in obviously body text. So yeah, so this is the one. Okay, and this is the body text, the confirmation code, and this is the confirmation code you want. You copy this, okay, and it is showing the confirmation code has been sent. Just press OK and just paste it here. And just click on verify. Okay, so it is showing you have been verified for the forwarding address. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. If someone sends an email to this particular email address, the data or the email will be sent to this particular email address, and from there it will be sent to SMS sending apps. So there is something else you have to do. Just click on forward a copy of incoming email to this particular email address, scroll down and just click on save changes. So I think we are ready. It is showing you are forwarding your email to this particular email address and so notice. Just ignore that. Okay, so how about we conduct an experiment? So what I'm going to do here is I'm once again just click on recapture webhook response. Click on yes. Now we are going to send an email to this particular email address. This is the email address, okay, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. And let's say a person called as Darius. Okay, Darius is sending the email. So Darius is composing the email and he is planning to send it to this particular email address. And the subject is Violet. Okay, so I hate violet color. Just a random message. I hate violet color, and let me just click on send. So the message has been sent by Darius. Okay, this is the person Darius Moravik to this email address, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. Now, if someone sends an email to this particular email address, it will be sent to this email address, and from there it will be sent to SMS sending app. So let us have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Yes, the data has arrived. So as you can see, this is the name of the person. Let me just show you the name of the person. Okay, Darius Moravik. And then we have the address. This is the address. And this is the subject, that is Violet. And we have the body text, that is I hate violet or something. I hate violet color. Excellent. Now what we're going to do here is we are going to send an SMS. Okay, basically I want to send an SMS to myself that a new email has arrived. And this is how you do it. In the action window, you select the choose app as Twilio. Now, of course, you have many other SMS sending apps like D7 Networks, SMS Horizon. The process is nearly the same. Okay, so we have selected the choose app as Twilio. We select it here. Now in the action event, how about we make it a send SMS message and just click on connect. Okay, so we are going with the new connection. Now we have to enter the account SID, authorization token, and once again account SID. To get all these details, let's have a visit to Twilio. So this is basically the settings page. You click here. The settings page, we want to enter the settings page. Okay, so it is asking me to fill in the password. So this is my password. Okay, and let me just click on create. Okay, so these are the API credentials I have. So this is my account SID. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, then we have to enter the authorization token. So let me just copy this and just going to paste it here. Easy. Once again, we have to enter the account SID. So let me just copy this and let me just enter it here. So we have entered the account SID, authorization token, and once again account SID. Let me just click on save. So when you click on save, you will have three fields: the body of the SMS, sender number, and the recipient number. So let's start with the sender number. So this is my sender number. Okay, so this is the sender number. Okay, so I'm working with a trial account of Twilio, and it is offering me the sender number. So let me just show you my sender number. I'm sorry, this is the phone number. Where will we get the phone number? Okay, so this is the phone number. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and we are ready. Now we have the recipient number. So let me just enter the recipient number. So in the recipient number, I'm just going to enter my real phone number. Okay, so that I will get the message. So this is the number. Okay, so where I will be getting the message, the SMS. And let me just add the body of the SMS. So the body of the SMS, I'm just going to type a very simple message: new email arrived. Okay, and the sender is, okay, so the sender is what's the name of the sender? Darius Moravik. Email or from email, and then we have the subject. Subject was something related to Violet or something, if we remember. So the subject was violet. Let me just scroll down. I hate violet. That was the body. The subject was violet. Okay, yeah, this is the subject and we have mapped it. And then we have the body. And the body is this. Okay, let me just scroll down. I hate violet color. Excellent. So we have composed a very simple body of the SMS. Okay, all you have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request to send the SMS. So let me do that. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let me just show you the SMS. So this is the SMS sent from new Twilio account. New email arrived. Sender is Darius Moravik. From email is this. And then we have the subject as violet, the body I hate violet color, and of course we have the from email, that is Darius Moravik 663@gmail.com. Now before we end this, how about we do one more experiment? So this time a person called as Sneh Tripathi is going to send the email once again to Aaron Manuel, and the subject is, let's say, yellow, and the message is yellow yellow dirty fellow. Yellow yellow dirty fellow. Dirty fellow. Okay, so this is the message, and let me just click on send. So the email has been sent by a person called as Sneh Tripathi, and let me just show you the SMS that has arrived on my cell number or my as an SMS. So this is the SMS, okay, from Sneh Tripathi. New email arrived. Sender Sneh Tripathi. From email snetripathi6@gmail.com. The subject is yellow, the body is yellow yellow dirty fellow, and so on. So the presence of this SMS shows that we have a successful integration between Gmail and SMS sending app like Twilio. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. First, you integrated email parser, or basically the Gmail to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated SMS sending apps Twilio to Pabbly Connect. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Gmail and Twilio. Now before you leave, please share, comment and subscribe to this video. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, if you have any queries, please visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.